Let's talk about location. Sharing where you are should be simple, but it rarely is. You discover a quiet little cafe or a stunning rooftop view, want to share it, but explaining how to get there. Take a left after a temple, then right after a second tea stall. It's messy, right? Even sending you coordinates, long confusion and impossible to remember. Like 28.6129 north, then east. Yeah, good luck typing that right to the first time. We are living in 2025. Why we are still using 90s style directions? We have advanced GPS satellite orbiting Earth, helping us find anywhere. But when it comes to sharing location, we will stuck with long links, messy addresses, or confusing maps. Sometimes even Google Map drops you 100 meters away from the actual place. Whether you are sending a location to a friend, a delivery driver, or emergency services, accuracy matters. We need a new system, a system that is precise, easy to remember, and instantly shareable. And that's where DigiPin step in. DigiPin is a revolutionary way to represent any location on Earth with a simple short code. It was developed by Indian Post in partnership with IIT Hyderabad, ISRO, and the National Remote Sensing Center (NRSC). It provides a unique geocode location code based on the exact latitude and longitude of place. DigiPin is being used by travelers, business, emergency responders, even content creators. So how it works? DigiPin divides the entire planet into millions of tiny squares. Each square get a unique human-friendly code, usually two word or a number or 10 words. It is based on exact latitude and longitude, but it in a form of anyone can use. You enter a location and boom, you get a code like 01516, or it can be a word like Delhi Market 07. Share that with anyone and they land right at your doorstep. Want to decode a discipline? Just enter it on the website and the map zooms it exact spot. It like a secret password for your favorite places. The what is the use in real world? Emergency services don't waste time. Tourists can't find secret photo stop spots. Even organizers guide people to the right entrance. And everyday people they stopping getting lost whether you are in a metro city or a remote village. DGPin just work. Here I have created a website which actually creates a DZ Okay, so let me just show you how it works. And here I have added a light and dark mode with a visitor count, how many visitors will join. And here I have added two buttons. So first one is for the user who want to share the DZ and the second one who wants to check the location that is created by discipline. Okay, so let me just show you. So just click here and you will get here. So here what you have to do is to enter your latitude as well as longitude, and it's messy, right? We want to just remove this part. So what we will do is to here select any location, like I will select here like Delhi. So here you can see I have selected a location that is Mehroli Tehsil and South Delhi. You can just click here and search as well. Not only that, but also here click here and allow the location and you will get the your exact location. Okay, so whenever I click, you can see I have created another random discipline as well as a location as well. Okay, so here you can see a latitude and longitude, so it take the exact position instead wide area. Okay, so just here you can see my location as well as discipline. So just click here and copy the discipline, and now it's time to decode the discipline. Is it really works or not? So just click here and you will be redirected to here. Here you have to enter the discipline to decode its geographic location. So just click here and enter and just click on decode discipline. Now you can see it fetches the location address, and you can see the latitude longitude as well as the location, and here is the exact location, that is decoded location. Okay, and if I have added some more features, like if someone wants to know the direction and whatever they want, you can just click here, get direction on Google Map, and it will redirect you to the Google Map. Let me just show you. So it will redirect it you to the Google Map, and I will blur this part because it finds my exact location. So yeah, it will show you the exact pathway, and you can see if I just come here and check the location. So it's the exact location that we are discovering that time. Okay, that is 1147, and here you can see 1147. So yeah, it's worked very accurate, and everything works very fine. So if you want to just check it, I will provide this website link in the description. Or one more thing, if you want to know how I created this website, whole website, so I will give you tutorial on this. Just comment below. Okay. And yeah, this website is responsive as well. If I just show you here in the inspect, you can see in the mobile version it will look like this, and here you can just add your map location, and here you can select your location as well. Okay, so this is a fully responsive website. Okay, and if you want to know more about it, you can just comment below, and I will provide a and in descriptive information about this. Okay, so if you guys love this video, please like it, share, and subscribe our channel if you are new. And don't forget to share this video to everyone, your friends and everyone, because so if you don't know about your location or something, just come to this website, click generate a pin of your location, and send to your home friend or anyone, and then just ask them to come here, come to this website and click on this decode, and they will find your exact location, and they can come through your Google Map location by using direction. So that's all about today's video. So see you in the next video, guys, and happy coding.